हेलो फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग। आज हम अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो को कंटिन्यू करते हैं जीके की। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। विच यूनियन टेरिटरी अटेन्ड द स्टेटहुड इन February 1987? आंसर इज गोवा। विच ऑक्सी एसिड ऑफ हेलोजन हैज़ ए मैक्सिमम एसिडिक नेचर? आंसर इज AClO4। acidic nature is HClO4. The oxy acid of halogen has a maximum acidic nature. Answer is HClO4. From when was a zero base budgeting in India first experimented? April 1987. April 1987. What is the most important reason for dwindling forest resource today? Overfelling. Answer is overfelling. The best and bravest of the military leader of the rebels, about whom was the said by Sir Hugh Groves? Answer is Rani of Jhansi. Who is the leading wicket taker in history of Test cricket? Shane Warne. The greatest threat to organism and biodiversity in which process? Answer is process of habitat loss. Which article of the Constitution of India makes specific mention of village panchayat? Answer is Article 40. How much of the earth's surface is covered by the forest? Answer is 30%. Who was the first Indian woman president of India National Congress? Answer is Sarojini Naidu. The unidirectional property of PN junction is useful for its use as which thing? Answer is rectifier. Who has been awarded the Prem Bhatia Award for year 2012? Answer is PR Ramesh. Who is the chairman of 30th Finance Commission? Answer is Vijay Kelkar. Next, the Himalayas are approximately how many kilometer broad? Answer is 150 to 400 kilometer. 150 to 400. During India's freedom struggle, which led to the first All India Hartal? Answer is Protest Against Rowlatt Act. Which animal has a diet mainly consisting of bamboo? Answer is red pandas. Which amendment of the Constitution of India deal with the issue of strengthening of the Panchayati Raj? Answer is 73rd. Thermal decomposition of alkanes is known as which name? Answer is cracking. How many islands of India are located in the Bay of Bengal? Answer is 204. Answer is 204. In ancient India, at where was the earliest capital of Magadha kingdom? Answer is Rajgir. Now you can check out the answers. Now we start. Who was known as a lady with lamp? Florence Nightingale. Answer is Florence Nightingale. Which Indian origin immigrants become the government of Louisiana province of the USA in 2007? Answer is Bobby Jindal. From which part of the plant is turmeric obtained? Answer is stem. In order of their distance from the sun, which planet lie between the Mars and Uranus? Answer is Jupiter and Saturn. Which Rajput dynasty did not surrender to Akbar? Answer is Sodhia. How type of right is right to information? Answer is fundamental right. Which is used as a coolant in nuclear reactor? Answer is liquid sodium. What does M3 include? M1 plus TD9. M1 plus TD. Comets revolve around the which body? Answer is Sun. Where was the Shivaji crowned as a independent king? Answer is Raigad. Meghanand Saha is known for his contribution in which field? Answer is physics. Which part of the Chincona plant yield quinine? Answer is bark. Which right of the conferred by the Constitution of India is also available in non-citizen? Answer is freedom to speech. Which layer of the earth is believed to have heaviest mineral material of highest density? Answer is central core. Which saint name is associated with Shivaji? Answer is Ramdas. Liquefied petroleum gas consists of mainly which gases? Answer is methane, butane and propane. Again repeat, answer is methane, butane and propane. Next, which Mahatma Gandhi series of currency notes issued by the RBI has ecological depict on it? Answer is 100. एक क्वेश्चन मिस हो गया, इसको देख लेते हैं. कंडला सिचुएटेड ऑन द गल्फ ऑफ कच्छ इज वेल नोन फॉर हिज पर्पस. आंसर इज एक्सपोर्ट प्रोसेसिंग जोन. आंसर इज एक्सपोर्ट प्रोसेसिंग जोन. नेक्स्ट, द मैपिंग ऑफ विच ऑफ पार्ट ऑफ द अर्थ इज मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट. आंसर इज इंटीरियर ऑफ द अर्थ. बाय whom was island to Bombay was given to English Prince Charles II as dowry? Portuguese. Now you can check out the answers again. Now we start. Which country has the briefest constitution in the world? USA. Which petroleum refinery product has the lowest boiling point? Answer is gasoline. In which policy India opted for mixed economy? Answer is industrial policy of 1948. In which state has India largest private sector seaport been commissioned recently? Answer is Andhra Pradesh. By whom was the Sahanama written? Answer is Firdausi. What is the distance between the popping crease and stump on the cricket pitch? Answer is 3 into 1 by 2 feet. By whom was Jean first located? Answer is Hargobind Khurana. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution? Answer is B.R. Ambedkar. Which is the longest national highway in India? NH7. Very important question. Answer is NH7. In which region of the India was the Soharwadi order of Sufism popular? Answer is Punjab and Sindh. By which impact is nuclear fission is caused? Neutron. Which was the first woman to climb the Mount Everest? Answer is Junko Tabai. What is the task of Planning Commission? Answer is preparation of the plan. How many pin code zone divided in the country? Answer is 8. Next, by whom was the Bhakti movement first organized? Answer is Ramanand. Next, by whom was insulin discovered? Answer is Dr. F.G. Banting. Next, how long did the Constitutional Assembly take to finally pass the Constitution? Answer is about 3 years, since December 9, 1946. Again repeat. How long did the Constituent Assembly take to finally pass the Constitution? About 3 years, since December 9, 1946. Next, which is the pursued form of iron? Wrought iron. Next, automatic approval up to 50% in the infrastructure city was given in which year? Answer is 1991. Next, during which reign was the East Indian Company founded in London? Answer is Akbar. Now you can recheck the answer. Now we start next questions series. Which games is Davis Cup associated with? Answer is tennis. When did the last female alpine ibex disappear in France? 2000. Answer is 2000. To whom is the resignation letter of the State Public Service Commission member addressed? Answer is Governor. Equatorial forest of the Amazon basin is known as by which name? Answer is Selvas. To which work is Devi Chandraguptam related? Answer is Chandragupta II. Purification of the petroleum is carried out by which method? Answer is fractional distillation. Saraswati Samman is given annually for outstanding contribution to the which field? Answer is literature. From which sector is the largest contribution in India national income? Answer is tertiary sector. Next is thick stem and thorny wax coated leaf are commonly found in which area? Answer is deserts. Next, who is most famous for the establishment of an elaborate system of municipal administration? Answer is Chandragupta Maurya. Next, what is the short upper part of the human intensive next to stomach? Answer is duodenum. Which is the state having the largest population of scheduled caste? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Where will be the time period in the vibration magnetometer infinite? Answer is at magnetic pole. Which is the considered to cause an adverse of effect on Indian monsoon? Answer is El Nino. Who was a lexicographer? Answer is who was a lexicographer? Answer is Amar Shilna. Next, who was the first Indian to be honored with the Lifetime Achievement Oscar Award? Answer is Satyajit Roy. Next, what can be maximum length of a cricket bat? Answer is 32 inch. Which technique can be used to establish a paternity of a child? Answer is quantitative analysis of DNA. Which region does not receive much rainfall in the south-west monsoon season? Answer is Tamil Nadu coast. And last one, by whom was the city of Agra founded in 1504? Answer is Sikandar Lodi. Now you can recheck the answers. Thank you so much.